Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your site header on Squarespace 7.1. Let's get straight into it. Click the Edit button in the top left corner of your site preview. This opens the site editor where you can make changes to your website. Once you're in edit mode, hover your mouse over the header area at the top of the page. You'll see it gray out. When it does, click Edit Site Header. This opens the header editing menu where you'll do all your customization. Click the Add Elements tab. You'll see a list of toggleable elements like button, social links, cart icon, and language switch. Toggle any of these on or off to control what appears in your header. The changes show up in real time on your preview. Hover over the site title or logo area in the header, click to select it, then click the pencil icon that appears. Here you can upload a logo or change your site title text. If you upload a logo, it'll replace the site title in the header display. To rearrange your navigation links, click on the navigation links section in the header, then click the pencil icon. You'll see a list of your navigation pages. Click and drag any link to reorder them. They'll move in real time as you drag. Click the Edit Design button. You'll usually find this at the bottom right of the header editing menu or within the Design tab. This opens the Design Options panel where you can adjust layout, spacing, effects, colors, and fix position settings. Click the Layout dropdown and choose your preferred configuration. You'll see different layout previews, centered logo, side logo, and others. Pick the one that works for your site. Use the spacing sliders to adjust the space between navigation links and around your logo. You can also toggle on drop shadows or borders if you want them. Watch the header preview update as you adjust the sliders. Toggle on fixed position to keep your header visible as people scroll. Then select the fixed header style from the dropdown. Basic keeps it visible at the top at all times, while scroll back only shows it when someone scrolls up. Click on any element in your header, a button, social icons, whatever, then click the pencil icon that appears. You'll get element-specific editing options. For buttons, you can change the text, link, and style. For social icons, you can add URLs and adjust how they look. Click the mobile icon in the top right corner to switch to mobile preview. Your header often displays differently on mobile, usually with a hamburger menu, so it's worth checking how it looks. Click Save at the top of the page to apply your changes. Keep in mind that if you uploaded a logo, it replaces the site title in the header display, but the title text is still used for SEO. Your mobile header will likely look different from desktop, often showing a hamburger menu instead of full navigation. If you want to add or remove pages from your navigation entirely, you'll need to do that through the Pages panel in the main dashboard. The header editor only lets you rearrange what's already there. That's how to edit your site header on Squarespace 7.1.